Welcome to this comprehensive overview of BriteVerify. In this video, we will explore the key features, advantages, and disadvantages of the platform, helping you make an informed decision about its use. BriteVerify is a top-rated email verification service that specializes in cleaning email lists to ensure accuracy and improve deliverability. With BriteVerify, businesses can easily verify email addresses, reduce bounce rates, and prevent sending emails to invalid addresses. The platform offers real-time verification to check each email address as it is entered or uploaded, providing immediate feedback on its validity. The main advantage of BriteVerify is its ease of use. The platform offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface that allows businesses to quickly upload email lists or integrate with popular email marketing tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and others. It supports bulk verification, making it ideal for companies with large mailing lists. BriteVerify is also known for its accuracy and speed, providing fast and reliable results. One key feature of BriteVerify is its integration with a variety of email marketing platforms. This makes it easier to incorporate email verification into your existing workflows, helping you save time and avoid manual checks. Moreover, BriteVerify provides detailed reports on the verification process, so you can see which email addresses are valid, invalid, or risky. However, like any service, BriteVerify does have its limitations. While the platform excels in accuracy and speed, it is priced at a premium compared to other email verification tools. This might be a drawback for smaller businesses or those with tight budgets. Additionally, some users have reported that BriteVerify's bulk verification tool can occasionally miss certain edge cases, though this is rare. BriteVerify offers flexible pricing plans, including pay-as-you-go and subscription options. The pay-as-you-go plan is ideal for businesses with occasional verification needs, while the subscription plans provide discounted rates for users with ongoing verification needs. Depending on your needs, the cost of using BriteVerify can vary, but the investment is usually worth it if email deliverability is a priority for your business. If you're managing email lists and looking for a solution to keep your inbox clean and organized, you might also want to consider Clean Email, which provides powerful features to declutter your inbox and manage your email accounts efficiently. Follow the link in the description to discover the best email manager for keeping your inbox in top shape. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and helpful insights into the best tools for email management.